Good day everyone, this is Nirmal from Nanthanam Exotics. Today we'll be featuring a plant called Osmoxylon lineare. It's called as Miagos bush. It hails from Southeast Asia to parts of Philippines. It's a tropical plant that requires strict tropical conditions like high humidity, high light, etc. And it's not a good idea to grow them in a winter zone. Winter is not something they can easily tolerate. So if you are from such an area, please make sure to take necessary actions to protect the plant. They do flower in the spring and summer. The flowers are not so beautiful as a typical house plant, but is very intricate and interesting. I love taking close-up pictures of this flower. The different stage of the flowers maturation is very interesting, the way they change color and form. I have shown 3 different phases of the flower, from bud to the final berry kind of form, which is what you're seeing right now. They prefer to be grown on ground because they have a very strong root system, and it's not that easy to keep them in a pot because they easily outgrow the container. But it's not impossible. If you have conditions where it is not feasible for you to grow them in a garden situation, you can go for the pot method. Be sure to repot them annually just to keep their roots under control. They do appreciate occasional fertilizing, but it's not a very hard and fast rule for these group of plants because they do grow even without it. When it comes to diseases and pests, I have not experienced much in this plant, but maybe occasionally mealybugs or spider mites could be a problem, so you can go for the normal natural methods like neem oil, etc. The plant also has a very interesting quality, that is, it can take very deep shade to full sun, and depending upon the light you give, it can change from deep green to a very yellowish green color. So as per your preference, you can grow them in different light zones. Hope you like the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any queries related to this plant. Also try to share the video with similar like-minded people in your circle. I would appreciate that a lot. Thanks once again.